Hey, what's going on, Freedomers? All right, so you get straight. God's protection is equals um, and what are we gonna do without it? So God's protection, capitalize on rejection. It means redirection and clarification. There are many scenarios in my life where I'm trying to force things. I'm a very forceful person, and I've learned that that doesn't work. Sometimes it means putting energy somewhere else. Follow your intuition after you get rejection. Meaning whatever you're told after to do, there's something always told to you about what to do, whether it be now or later. Um, Follow that. You must focus on and move forward. Remind yourself that the goal. Remind yourself of the goal throughout the day and practice what you preach. This is one of the challenges for me that I'm growing through every single day. Focus on moving forward every step, every chance you get. Um, and 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 practice what you preach. Um, so so whatever that comes out your mouth, make sure you're doing it. Um, Disregard all opinions, especially most opinions where it's not aligned with your higher self. Focus completely on you. No one else is gonna make your goals a reality, and that's a huge one when it comes to God's protection. No one else is gonna help you make your goals a reality unless they are deliberately sent or deliberately involved in helping your dreams become a reality. Because most likely they're not. Just keep your work ethic strong and blow people's minds with your commitment, and that's what I'm working on in the process right now. Blow people's minds and learn that you don't have to say anything to anybody about a lot of things because it comes from a sense of like wanting to feel accepted, and I'm overcoming this and like wanting to feel accepted by people and telling people, oh, I've done this and I've done that, and it doesn't make a difference in their lives or yours. Law of polarity. Nothing lasts forever. This is a coin phrase. And needs understanding rejection. Nothing lasts forever. Um, there is always more than meets than one side to see, or even meets the eye. Um, learn learn that there is an equal and opposite reaction to everything in circumstances. So what that means is, let's say you're not in the best living situation, like I'm not, and you're gonna realize, like how they say, someone had your situation and crushed it. And that what that means is there's two sides of the polarity. There's somebody who had your situation and they said, "Oh, I'm not good enough, and I'm not this, and I'm not that, and I'm not this, and I'm not that," and then somebody else said, "Fuck that, I'm a boss up no matter what." And they made a horrible or not the best or a circumstance that um, most people would complain, and they made it magnificent. If you want to learn how to make money online, go to bit.ly/your free consultation and just look like that. It'll be in the caption.